Okay, hello everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah, thank you. So now, everyone, today please listen me carefully and just I will explain you what you have to do in the project. Okay. Uh, at any point of time, if you have any query, you can ask me. But first, listen all the instruction carefully, and then ask me anything. Okay. So please pay your attention in today's lab. Now, everyone, in your Google, just write that virtual lab IIT Bombay. Open virtual lab IIT Bombay. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Just go through it once and just tell me what you understand. What is there on in this virtual lab? Everyone, please type in your Google search virtual lab IIT Bombay and click on the first link which you find in the Google results.
yes, ma'am. What's next?
Okay, सबने open किया? Everyone open virtual lab. The link is vlab.co.in. In that, go into the computer science and engineering. Okay, so can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I think the same tab is open. You can open the same website on your screen. Go into the computer science and engineering. Now here multiple subjects are there. Here you cannot find the OS lab, right? Just open any of the subject and I'm giving you 5 minutes. Just explore this and just after that tell me what you have find in this. What is there in this virtual lab, what they have implemented already. You can open any of the subject, like open either data structure
I
or
think just a
yeah,
bunch of
what?
documentation is
No, no, no,
documentation.
no, no, no. Just I'm giving you few minutes. Just explore it very well and then tell me. Not only documents are there. Just go through it once. Mute your mic. Yeah. Ex Explore it properly. Only documents are not there. Something else is also there. Okay, let's say I have opened this data structure subject. There are list of experiments, right? From 100 plus students, at least I should get 10 answer at a time. What have you find in this virtual lab? Apart from documentation, apart from explaining all the concepts very well, what is there in this lab? If the name is virtual lab, then what comes in your mind? What should be there?
So experimented things are there to
Yeah,
visualize.
simulation, simulations are there. Okay, for each and everything, if you open the data security subject, then every cryptographic algorithms are simulated very well. For the data structure, all the sorting and searching algorithms are simulated very well. What I mean by simulation, so let's say for the bubble sort or any of the sorting algorithms, if I'm giving you the input data like some array having number of data items, then on clicking on the submit button, it will give me the each iteration of the sorting algorithm, like all the visualization of each and every algorithm and the final output, that how that final output come across. Okay, maybe for the cryptographic algorithm or for the security, if I give the input data, and for encryption, if I'm giving the key, then it applies that key on the input data, give me the final encrypted output. But it also shows that how that output is how that final output is computed. Okay, it shows the intermediate results in the most simulated way. Okay, that is what is there in this virtual lab. But here you can see as that the OS subject is not there. Okay, so what we'll do in this project or in all the in this OS practicals for whole semester. Okay, what I'm assigning today, that you have to perform in this whole semester, and at each and every lab I will check your progress, and you have to implement multiple algorithms and you have to show me the progress. Till now, any query?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, do we have to make
Now,
website like this?
yeah, I'm coming to that point. Now, I'm sharing one Excel sheet with you. Like right now, I'm sharing my screen only. In that, wait a second. Okay. Okay. Can you see one? Uh, okay. Can you see one Excel sheet?
No, your screen is not visible.
Yes, ma'am. No. Your screen is not visible, ma'am.
Yeah. Wait a second. Now you are not restricted to just make your I'm not giving you that you have to make website. You can either make website, you can either make app, anything which you are comfortable with. Now I think you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, so here this is the project details of your senior students, right? What they have implemented. I will, after this lab, I will share this Excel sheet with you on the Teams. Now, this details contains the, I will make one Google form first of all. Okay. So after this lab, in the whole week, you first decide your project topic, then only you have to, if you confirm on one of the topic and if you confirm on your teammates, then only please register on the Google form. Okay, अगर आप confirm नहीं हो तो उसमें आप please जल्दी मत करना to register yourself and then you will say मैम ये हमारी टीम फाइनल नहीं थी और मुझे अभी फिर से रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है, ऐसा मत करना. आई एम गिविंग यू प्रॉपर टाइम ऑफ 10 to 15 days. In that you have to register yourself through the Google form. What details you have to register, what details you have to give in that Google form, that is you have to first decide your lead. Okay, there is a lead means if I have to pass any information, I will ask this student or I will mail this student and they have to communicate with their team members. So this is the lead. Okay, so you have to first decide your lead in that Google form, give the details of this lead and the other team members, that is the registration numbers of other team members. Okay, now you have to go through this seniors projects, what they have done. You have to select one of the projects.
Can we have more than 5 people?
That will decide all these things. Please will decide after I have explained all these things. Right now you just listen what you have to do. Okay, on the team members I will decide at the end of this lab. Okay, so right now once your team is finalized, what you all have to do, including all the team members, you have to go through this sheet, Excel sheet. In this I'm giving you all the project details of your senior students, right? They have either they have made a website or maybe app or something, right? Then you have to select one of the project of your seniors and you have to carry out further it. Okay, आपको उसमें जो भी एक मॉड्यूल नहीं है उसको आपको इंक्लूड करना है वो सीनियर के प्रोजेक्ट में, एंड देन यू हैव टू शो मी द फाइनल थिंग. Right now, from where you can get all the details of your seniors. So in this Excel sheet, on the next tab, I am giving you the video link of all the projects. You can go through all these videos. You can understand very well that what they have made, and you have to give me that, you have to select that appropriate प्रोजेक्ट विच यू फाइंड कंफर्टेबल विद. ओके, आपको इसमें से जो भी प्रोजेक्ट पसंद है वो आप सिलेक्ट करो और उसको आपको फर्दर कंटिन्यू करना है. नाउ मे बी मल्टीपल ग्रुप्स हैव सिलेक्टेड सिंगल प्रोजेक्ट, सो नो प्रॉब्लम विद दैट. आई विल गिव द डिफरेंट मॉड्यूल टू बोथ द ग्रुप्स एंड दे कैन कैरी आउट फर्दर. ओके, दे कैन कंटिन्यू इट विद फर्दर. सो अगर मल्टीपल ग्रुप्स भी सिंगल प्रोजेक्ट सिलेक्ट करता है उसमें भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. नाउ अभी ये जो शीट में सिर्फ यूट्यूब की लिंक है, मीन सिर्फ वीडियो लेक्चर है, दैट इज थ्रू विच यू कैन जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दे हैव डन. आफ्टर वंस यू हैव फाइनलाइज्ड योर प्रोजेक्ट, आपका सब कुछ रजिस्ट्रेशन सब कुछ कंप्लीट हो जाता है, एक प्रोजेक्ट आपका टाइटल फाइनल हो जाता है, देन आई विल शेयर देयर कोड with you. Okay, they have also uploaded their code on the GitHub, so I will share all these links with you so you can download their code and then you can make changes and then you can carry out further. Till now any problem? अभी एक मॉड्यूल एक्सप्लेन करना बाकी है, वो मैं आपको बाद में बताती हूँ. अभी तक कोई प्रॉब्लम है? एनी क्वेरी टिल नाउ?
Hello.
Yeah.
What about those who don't have idea of website and app creation?
Agar if you have no idea about website, then you can simply make a GUI kind of thing, you know, any Java application. See here some projects which have only made GUI, so you can also make GUI, right? You can either make a app kind of thing. Okay, so I think from 3 of these at least you have idea of a single thing. You can make a simple GUI on the Java. You can make a Java application also.
Ma'am, that is much more difficult than website.
See, right now what I'm giving you, that you just go through all these videos. आपको थोड़ा बहुत क्लियर हो जाएगा कि what they have made, and I think you have to just continue your senior projects further. So आपको बहुत सारी help already मिल जाएगी. I will be sharing their code with you, all the readme files and everything. So you can go through it and then you have to just continue that project further. So see, they have used all this language. So I think you will be familiar with at least one of this. And in whole semester you have to complete this. So at least आप एक semester में तो इतना कर ही सकते हो. Any doubt? Now let's, maybe some of you will ask that I don't want to continue, I don't want to use senior projects. So in that case also no problem. You can create your whole new module. You can create your maybe your website or your GUI application, and you can make your own thing. Okay, that is also not problem. It is not mandatory that you have to continue your seniors projects further. Okay, आप अपना खुद का भी बना सकते हो. Now what you have to do in this and what is missing in your senior projects. So what we have done, that in your OS there are four branches are there. You can say there are 4 subparts are there. Whole OS curriculum we can divide it into the 4 modules or 4 chapters kind of thing. The what 4 modules are there? So there are some scheduling algorithms, page replacement algorithms, disk scheduling algorithms, and concurrency and deadlock. Okay, so maybe there are 4 modules. One is scheduling algorithm, disk scheduling algorithm, concurrency and deadlock, and page replacement algorithm, right? Now let's say you select any project which in which the seniors have implemented this scheduling algorithms. So what is missing? Rest 3 of the modules are missing, right? Concurrency is missing, disk scheduling is missing, and page replacement is missing. So you can select any one of 3 and then you have to incorporate that particular module in the existing website. Okay, so finally क्या होगा? Finally there will be a website, there will be a virtual lab of OS in which all these 4 modules are there. Okay, now if you select, let's say, scheduling algorithms. So in the scheduling algorithms there are 5 to 8 scheduling algorithms are there. FCFS, the shortest job first, priority job first, and such 6-7 algorithms are there. For each of the module, if you select any of the modules, you have to at least perform, or you have to at least simulated 3 algorithms in this whole semester. Got it? Any doubt till now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now I will repeat everything again. Okay, मैं सब कुछ फिर से repeat कर रही हूँ. Please listen carefully. First, let me complete everything and then ask anything. Okay. I will be sharing this Excel sheet with you after completion of this lab. Okay, you have to first finalize your group. Okay, after finalizing your group, all the team members of the group have to go through this step in which I am sharing the video link of your senior projects, right? You have to go through these videos and select any of the project which you find which you can continue further in this semester. If you do not want to go with your senior projects, then you can either make your own whole application, or you can make your whole website, you can make app, right? That is also not problem. Now in this project, what you have to implement? So we have divided the OS curriculum into the 4 parts, that is 4 sub parts are there. scheduling algorithms, descheduling algorithms, page replacement, and concurrency and deadlock. You have to select any one of the module, and in each module multiple algorithms are there. You have to implement at least 3 algorithms with simulation. Okay, so if you select your senior project in which, let's say, scheduling algorithms they have implemented, so you have to in this semester you have to implement any one of the 3 missing module. Okay, agar unhone scheduling algorithm kiya hai, so rest of the 3 they have not implemented. Descheduling, page replacement, and concurrency and deadlock are not implemented yet. So you have to select one from that rest of the 3. Okay, and after each and every lab I will check your progress, and you have to show me the implemented algorithms with simulation. And after which you have decided all these things, you have to register your group with your project topic on the Google form. I will share link of that Google form with all of you, right? But after finalizing everything, then only you please register on the Google form. Okay, because once you will register, you will not be able to change your project topic, or you will not be able to change teammates of your group. So once you are confident with your teammates and your project title, then only register yourself on the Google form. Okay, and once you finish all this Google registration, then I will share the senior code details of your senior students with you. I will also share the one of the group leader of your senior project, contact details of that group leader of your senior projects. Okay, so let's say at some point of time you will stuck somewhere, because you have to first understand whole code of their project. So let's maybe you will stuck somewhere, so you can contact them, that group leader, and you can ask them for the help. Okay, so I will share all the details with you, but first you have to finalize on your project title and with your group members. Now regarding the number of teammates in your group, so in the last lab I told you that only 3 to 5 people should be there, but as I have received multiple messages that maybe we can make a 6 people group and everything, so right now I am allowing that yes, you can make a group of 6 members, but please don't make group of interdiscipline. The members of your group should be from your division only. And one student has asked me that can I make a project alone, that also fine. I don't have any problem, but after once I have explained all these things, so if you are confident that you can make all these things alone, then you can go ahead. I don't have any problem, but you should be confident on yourself. Okay,
Ma'am,
yeah.
why don't you just open up for the groups for both the divisions to be like ICT 1 and 2 can have mixed groups, like,
But
not that.
see,
Because at
ultimately,
last you're gonna be giving marks
no, that's what.
individually. So
No,
individual
so
scores.
that, but then I have to on that finals giving on the final system for giving marks. There are 2 different sheets are there. So मुझे बाद में सब कुछ वो manage करना होगा.
Ma'am, please just open
That
it
will
up.
be tedious task for me, because I have to put the marks, and अगर कहीं पे भी गलती हो गई तो वो बाद में पूरा मुझ पे ही आएगा. That ma'am, we have done correctly, but still we are not, because you know you are 150 plus students, so I have to manage everything, and the final system is not that much smart. So
Ma'am, actually I changed my branch after first year, so I don't know my division.
that I don't know. I mean, how many, let's say, how many groups are there who are having these problems of teammates in the different division? Just only one member of your group raise your hand. Only two. You both are from the same group or different group?
I don't know, ma'am. I have never met this person before.
Are you from the same group in the sense you are planning to
No,
make
no,
a...
ma'am.
Yeah. So only two groups are having this problem that they want to make a group from different division, right?
Actually, ma'am, I don't know my division. That's why.
So आप किसके साथ ग्रुप बनाओगे? If you don't know your division, then are you familiar with your classmates?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, any further query?
Ma'am, do we have to decide what module we are doing by next week?
Yeah, obviously. Matlab, decide module in the sense, see, that is very much clear. If you are selecting a website in which, let's say, two modules have already been implemented, then you have to select any of from the rest of the two. Okay, agar do implement already ho gaye hai in your senior projects, then you have to select any one from the rest of the two. So that is pretty much very obvious.
Yes, ma'am, but we
Yeah.
don't have to confirm it next week, right? Because we haven't studied these algorithms yet. So how can we be sure that we want to do that one only?
Okay, right now we can keep that part as a, I mean, you can decide that later on, but at least you first decide that which project you want to carry further, and usme at least which modules are right now missing. Okay, at least figure out all these things first, which language or platform on which you are planning to create this project. So all these things first you decide, then we'll decide that particular part later on. Okay,
Okay, yes, ma'am.
any query? And from this YouTube videos, you will get the idea about what I mean, how they have done simulation and everything. So आपको काफी कुछ समझ में already आ ही जाएगा, but still after this lab you just spend some time on the virtual lab website which I have shown you initially, that is the virtual lab of IIT Bombay. So you can get more idea that about what you have to do, and at the end of this project you have to submit two multiple files, like one is the code, then this you have to make this YouTube video same as what your senior has made, in which you have to explain everything. You have to make one readme file in which all the instructions were there, that is how to execute your project. All these things you have to make along with the implementation. Okay, so that's why I'm keeping the limit of only implementing at least 3 algorithms. Okay, you have to just implement at least 3. More than 3, then that is very much good, but at least 3 algorithms you have to implement, and along with that you have to make all these files and other instructions, right, at the end of your project. That is at the end of your semester, when I will take your final submission, at that time you have to submit all these things, and you have to upload your code and all the project details on the GitHub. You have to make this YouTube video in which you will explain everything. You have to you have to show your simulation, and you have to explain your project. Okay. Now, any query further? Chirag, no other faculty takes division 1 and 2 differently. I have already told you that yeah, you can carry, you can continue with teammates in
Oh, no,
both.
sorry, ma'am. That was actually sent before. The uploading
और
speed might have got.
मेरा कुछ उसमें कुछ पार्शियलिटी नहीं है, सिर्फ माय फंडा इज व्हाट दैट आई हैव टू पुट द मार्क्स, दैट्स व्हाई. अदरवाइज अगर मुझे लेक्चर ही लेना हो तो मैं आप दोनों को कुछ डिफरेंट नहीं करूंगी, बट आई हैव टू पुट योर मार्क्स. And if your group contains two different teammates from different division, then I have to take care more, but still I allowed you.
I'm sorry, ma'am. That must be because of my uploading speed.
Okay.
It must have got. The message must have gotten uploaded a little late. So sorry for that.
Okay, any further query? Okay, so let me share this Excel sheet with you. I will also share that Google link, I mean the link for the Google form with you. But right now, please don't hurry to register yourself on that Google form. First, decide everything, discuss among your group members, and then only register on the Google form. Okay. Once you will done the registration, then you cannot change anything, right? So let me share everything with you. Now, what we'll do in the next lab, okay, as I'm giving you the more time to explore all these things. So in the next lab, we'll do this shell script. I mean, we'll check out the shell script commands. We'll try out it on the application. Okay, so in the next time you have to not come with your project titles. Okay, but in the next to next lab it should be, I mean before next to next lab, your project title should be finalized. Okay, so if I give you the dates, then the next Monday, I think it's 16, right? So on the 60 after 16th August, whatever yeah, it's 23. So before 23rd, your project title, your group members, everything should be finalized. Okay, so from 23rd I will be starting your evaluating your project. Okay, so ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको 23rd पे मुझे पूरा फर्स्ट कोई भी एक अल्गोरिदम इम्प्लीमेंट करके बता देना है, नहीं. यू हैव टू फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड योर code of your senior project and everything. So after each and every lab we'll take the progress report. Okay, so on 23rd I will ask you that what you understand from your senior project, what you are planning to do, which platform you are planning to on which platform you are planning to implement your project. All these things should be clear in your mind. So from 23rd we'll start evaluating your project, and then till end of the semester we'll work on this project only. Okay, so in the next lab we'll see the shell script commands, and after that we'll start evaluating the projects. So I'm giving you the 2 weeks. In that 2 weeks you have to finalize everything. You have to at least go through the the code of your senior projects. At least you should have the brief idea of their code, which language they have used, how they have done. At least you should have this idea, right? So I'm giving you the enough time to at least understand everything. So after 15 days we'll start discussing this project thing, right?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, मुझे एक कुछ है डाउट
Yeah,
कि
please.
मैम अल्गोरिथम ही करना है कि फिर कुछ और भी बनना सकते हैं, वैसे कि वेबसाइट में अल्गोरिथम के ऊपर ही करना है कि कुछ अलग भी करे तो चलेगा?
What else you can implement? Just give me the idea.
मैम सपोज कि आपने कहा ना कि अल्गोरिथम है बनाने हैं, तो फिर
Hmm.
मैम वो न करे और उसके अलावा
हाँ,
कुछ
but algorithm के
बिगर
अलावा आप
प्रोजेक्ट।
और that's what I'm asking. Other than algorithm, what else you can implement?
मैम सपोज कि नहीं अभी वेबसाइट सब कुछ है ना कि कार्ड एटीएम की या फिर कोई
No.
शॉपिंग।
We have to. This is OS lab. Uh,
हाँ
our
इसलिए
subject
मैं
is not
पूछ रहा हूँ।
website making and everything. This is OS lab.
हाँ
So we have to include. We have to implement related to the OS things. So in the
ओके
OS, in your whole theory part, you will learn all these algorithms, and in the practical, you have to implement these algorithms. That's why we have taken these things. This subject is not about making website. The subject is the OS, that is operating system, in which the different algorithms are there for the scheduling, for the deadlock and concurrency and all these things. So you have to implement any of these algorithms.
ओके
You will get all this idea once you go through some of this YouTube video of your senior projects. तो आपको ज़्यादा समझ में आएगा what you have to do. And that's why I told you that spend some time on the virtual lab of the IIT Bombay. From that also you will get more details that what you are going to do, right? And you can think about I'm giving you all this instruction to everyone only, that you can even come across with a new idea which your seniors have not implemented yet, that or different हम क्या कर सकते हैं to make this simulation more more understandable, like nowadays many educational apps are there. So how they are making all this simulation very much interesting, so students will get all the ideas very easily. So what else we can do differently than your seniors to make everything in very attractive and interesting. So you can even think about some different ideas, right? So I'm sharing this excel sheet with you, right, on the Teams.
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we leave now?
No, just wait for 2-3 minutes. I'm sharing that sheet. Okay, everyone, you can leave. I have taken your attendance and I'm sharing this file with you on the Teams. So you can go into the classwork and you can see that file and just go through your senior projects, right?